So hey, in this video we are going to see how you can create a free tool and get the code from ChatGPT. So you are getting a free tool from ChatGPT, but you need to follow some steps. Also, after getting the code, how to implement it on your website, I am going to tell you that. So now let's get started. So first you have to open ChatGPT and write down a prompt. Provide me HTML code for then you have to paste any of the tool name that you want to create. So for now I am going to create a word counter tool, which is one of the most searched tool online, and you can see here ChatGPT has provided me the HTML code for a word counter tool. So now let's see how we can implement it on our website and provide it for free to our users. By providing free tools to your website, you can get more traffic and backlinks. So to implement it on your website, you have to download a plugin called WP Coder. After searching it, this is the plugin I am talking about. So after installing and activating it, you will see this option here. Just hover on it and click on WP Coder. After that, you will be on the dashboard of it. Then click on add new and just simply copy the code which ChatGPT has provided you. Then just paste the code here and name it something you like, and for then click save changes. You will get a short code here and copy it. Let me add a new post. Then you can simply paste that short code on the text format if you are using classic editor, or if you are using the block editor, then you can also search short code, then you can put it here. Let me preview it. Wow, now you can see a free word counter tool has been implemented in our website, and I can publish it for my users. So now let's check if the tool is working or not. Let me go to the disclaimer page of my website. Now copy it and paste it here. You can see it is providing the words this paragraph has. So now you can customize the code if you need and create it more engaging and more attractive. You can also tell him to provide you CSS and JavaScript code, and you will just need to put that on the JavaScript field and CSS field, and after that save changes and copy the code, and you can use it on your website. So there is nothing to worry. You can create free tools from ChatGPT, and more helping ideas from with ChatGPT has been coming in our channel. So stay connected with us.